Queen Rhaenyra Targaryen, first of her name. Queen of the Andals and Rhoynar and the First Men. Lady of the Seven Kingdoms and protector of the realm.
Princess Rhaenyra.
I'm Queen Rhaenyra now.
When I'm queen, I will create a new order.
Oh, I wish that could be Rhaenyra.
As queen, what is my true duty to the realm? Ensuring peace and unity, or that I sit the Iron Throne no matter the cost?
I swear to you now, you will not be supplanted.
The enemy have declared war. What are you going to do about it?
Clear the room.